channel. Today I'm going over GWRS. Let's get to it. So GWRS is Global Water Resources Incorporated. Reason I'm going over this one, like y'all have seen lately, I've been doing a lot of water stocks while they've all been down. And sometimes when things are down in groups, an entire sector or certain industry, I gravitate towards those. So if the financial sector's down, I go and buy a bunch of that. Financial sector's up, I sell a bunch of it. Same thing with what's been happening with the utility stocks, specifically the water utility stocks. And so I'm buying some of this. It's based out of Phoenix, but it has some locations in both Phoenix and Tucson. It's not a huge company, so Global Water Resources is a little deceptive, but it still has a decent amount of customers, which is perfectly fine by me. It's a water company. It's necessary, especially in places such as Phoenix and Tucson. I was able to acquire shares right at the very bottom of this bar, the first bar, and that was at $11.24. So $11.24. It actually came back down very briefly and didn't have an actual candle, just a flat. And then it went up for the rest of the day. I didn't sell it because I'm wanting it to go a little bit higher. I'm going to back out a little bit for the year. And so the swing trades have been great on here. And I've let it go for a bit because it was getting quite high up in these areas. So I haven't really been trading the water stocks as much as I had been. But once they started dropping like this, I've had to instantly get back into them. And this right here is where acquiring is perfect, in my opinion. I'm going to back out 5 years so we can look at the 5-year chart. And so, yes, right here is not as low as it has been. But again, it's a water utility stock. I don't see any reason why it can't go right back up to here. Everyone needs water. And it really broke this line. Yes, it's a little bit of a curve. I do realize that if you want to be very technical about it, it did break this. And that became a support, resistance to support. And it had its own little trend, and it broke that. But then it broke this trend as well. So it depends on which trend you're looking at and general macroeconomic, microeconomic, all that good stuff. And whatever you want to do, technical or fundamental analysis, I don't see anything pointing to this stock just dropping. So I'm going to try and get a nice big swing trade in here, and it's making 2 point something, 3 point something in the yield. So that is great, especially for a water utility stock. Very happy about that. But that is why I'm acquiring GWRS at this moment.